All right, you guys, we're up here at the Jasper Spot. Look at that. Zach just pulled that out. That is amazing. Look at the colors on that, you guys. Look how gemmy that green is. Wow, that's beautiful. Absolutely amazing. We got lots of pieces in there, just haven't been washed off yet. Yeah.
Okay. Spray.
Oh, wow, look at the greens coming through. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. Definitely some beautiful Jasper. Look at the greens coming out. Say, that's amazing.
Thank you.
Wow, that is gorgeous. Gosh, dang it, I can't wait to get some of that cut.
Looking better.
I just can't believe it's out here. It's just
My
crazy.
hand is getting sore from...
It's the only way to really tell what's there. Oh my gosh. The colors
Red
on
and
that are
purple.
so bright. Wow. Yeah, you guys, that's what we're doing today. Zach found this seam of Jasper last time, and there's agate mixed in with it, so it's Jasper and agate mix, but it's beautiful, that's for sure.
Hi.
Okay, bye for now.